Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today's subject is sugar. Everyone might be surprised to know about sugar and its effects on our life. Sugar is a type of carbohydrate that gives us energy. It is found naturally in fruits and vegetables, and it is also found in many foods and drinks. Types of sugars. There are different types of sugars. The most common are glucose, fructose, and sucrose. Glucose is what our body uses for energy, while fructose is found in fruits, and sucrose is a table sugar we use at home. How sugar affects us. Sugar can be both good and bad for us. It gives us energy, but eating too much can lead to health problems like obesity and diabetes. It is important to enjoy sugar in limits. Well, there are some facts of sugar that you need to know. Sugar is high in calories, providing about 4 calories per gram. Excessive sugar consumption has been linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and dental cavity. Sugar can be addictive since it produces a lot of dopamine. You should take sugar less than 17 teaspoons daily. You can use alternative sweeteners which are completely safe like honey and jaggery. Sugar was found long back, thousands of years ago, initially being a luxury item. Sugar takes very much water consumption to be cultivated. Eating more sugar may contribute to premature aging of the skin through a process called glycation. High sugar in children diet can affect their behavior, mood, and energy level due to its impact on blood sugar levels. The processing sugar from sugarcane and sugar beet have various chemicals like lime, sulfur dioxide, and phosphoric acid. There are no nutritional values for sugar. Some studies tell that there is a link between high sugar consumption and a risk of depression and anxiety. Sugar provides a rapid source of energy which can be beneficial during intense physical activity or immediate energy needed. Pay attention to food labels to identify the hidden sugars in processed foods, and remember, everything should be in limits. Well, that's it for this video. Please subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in comments below. Till then, be exploring.